In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and explore an asset management solution in Smartsheet. To follow along, start by opening your browser and going to the Smartsheet homepage. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can create and save items. From the home screen, look toward the upper left area and click the Create button. This is where you start any new work in Smartsheet, including sheets, reports, and dashboards. When the Create menu opens, choose the option to view all templates. This takes you into the full template gallery, which is helpful because Smartsheet already has a ready-made asset management solution we can use. In the search bar of the template gallery, type Inventory or Asset to filter the results. From the suggestions that appear, select the Asset Management template. On the Asset Management template page, click Create from Template. Smartsheet will generate a working set of items for you, including sheets, reports, and a dashboard, all linked together. This can take a moment, and when it's done, you'll see a workspace or folder with several assets listed. Open the main sheet called Asset Tracker. This is where your individual assets live in a grid format. Take a moment to click into a few different asset rows, such as items labeled Asset A, B, C, F, G, and so on. As you click through them, notice the key columns: asset name, manufacturer, model, status, condition, warranty dates, and any notes. This is where you track details for computers, printers, routers, or any other equipment. Next, look for the manufacturer or model column and click into values like HP, Canon Pixma, or Cisco. This helps you see how you might group or filter assets later by vendor or device type. If you're prompted with a new asset intake form and you don't want to save changes right now, choose Don't Save so you can continue exploring. From the left panel, open the sheet called Asset Metrics. This summarizes high-level information about your inventory and feeds some of the reports and dashboards. Then open the report called Asset Warranty Expiration. In this report, click on the column headers such as Asset Status, Asset Name, Asset Condition, and Warranty Expiration date to see how the data is organized for tracking upcoming expirations. Do the same with the reports titled Assets Needing Repair and Overdue Assets. Click through columns like Item ID, Asset Name, Status, Condition, Evaluation Dates, and ask you need to understand how issues and responsibilities are tracked. Finally, open the dashboard called Asset Management. This gives you a visual overview of your assets, pulling together the sheets and reports you just explored into one central management-friendly view.